Hi, I'm Miss Bonnie from the Morgantown Public Library. Have you heard about our 2021 summer reading program? Tales and Tales.
Do you see what I see? A rare book trail. A picture book displayed page by page on pop-up boards for you to read while you're outside exploring. Come quick! I found a crab kit in the wild. Don't make any sudden gestures or you'll scare it away. Crab kits will be available every week in June and July at all library locations.
Look what's coming out of the soil. Brag tags that you can earn as you read. These grow in really hot climates.
Just over there, Miss Colleen will be having her outdoor story time. Social distancing will be recommended for everyone's safety. Do you hear that? A ruby-throated hummingbird. Our friends from Mountaineer Audubon will be here on June 26th to help us find birds on our bird walk.
Tune in for more summer reading events. Sign up today.